Hello everyone. For this lesson I'm going to go over how to create a new file, and so if you follow along with me, these are the instructions that are in the Google Doc that is in Classroom. So I'm just going to talk you through each step. First thing you need to do is open Photoshop, so you'll need to go to the Start menu and locate Adobe Photoshop 2021. And then once you've done that, it will open up. If you need to log in, then make sure you do that, but it should be set if you've used it once on your account already for one of the other tasks we've done. So once you've done that, we need to create a new file by going to the New File dialog. So what we're going to do is you can either go File New, or you can go Create New, or you can press Control-N on your keyboard. And when you do that, you will see there are several categories at the top that are preset categories. So we want to choose letter, and letter is on the print category. So once you've clicked print, then there's the letter preset, and if you look at the right, we want to make sure the following information is in here. So first of all, we want to call this blank page where it says Untitled, blank page, and then down below we want to make sure that the width is 8.5 inches, the height is 11 inches, orientation is landscape. So when you do that, it's automatically going to flip these two, so don't worry about that. Where it says resolution, we want to type in 300, and we want to make sure it's pixels per inch. Then after that, we're going to choose for the color mode, RGB color, and 8-bit, and we're going to make sure it's white for the background. So if you click on the drop down, you'll see it gives you the option of white, black, background color, transparent, or custom. And so we just want to choose white. The other two things that are on here, we can just skip. For other purposes, like dealing with different types of printing or displays, we might look at color profile, but for our purposes, we're not bothering with it. You can always change it later. So once you've done that, we're clicking Create. And what you should have is a blank canvas, a white canvas that's the same size as a sheet of paper, letter size. And so once you've done that, your new file is up here. We need to save it. And so that's the other part of this. We're going to go to File, Save As, and then when you've clicked on that, we want to click on the Save on Your Computer button right here. And then we're going to select the documents on the left here. And the file name, we are going to call blank page, which is what it already is. And then we're going to go to the drop down here for Save As Type, which should be by default Photoshop, but if it's not, make sure you choose Photoshop PSD. So all these things right here, PSD, PDD, PSDT, we want that. So Photoshop PSD, it'll automatically save it as a Photoshop PSD file, and then we're going to go ahead and hit Save. And so once you've done that, then you're going to go into Classroom and submit that file. You're going to go to create new file, turn in new file, and then you're going to click browse and locate it in documents. If you need help with that, let me know.